second one is free licenses, where you do not need to pay anything, but you can use the learning management system for your students, for your employee. And the last one is paid version. We need to differentiate all these three versions. That, for example, the open source and free learning management systems are available, then why we do need to go for the commercial and paid LMS, and what is the difference between them? First, we need to discuss about open source learning management system. And open source could have like Moodle is on top, and there are many other like Canvas and Sakai, also the open source systems. And what does it mean, and how we can make it differentiate between other two? Open source learning management systems are generally free and based online. You are able to modify the source code in order to suit your needs. In addition, many open source options have active online communities, which means that you can get tips and troubleshooting assistance if you do encounter a problem. The drawback is that you typically need some degree of programming experience. It means it's available online and open source, and you can make changes in the coding, and mostly it's based on HTML and Java. So you need experts with these languages. And if you are not familiar with these type of activities or these type of languages, it could have a major issue for you. So sometimes open source learning management systems, you are saving some money to pay, but on other hand, you are paying that money to the programmers, to the network engineers, to maintain that open source learning management system. The next one is free learning management system. There are too many like free learning management system is available. That is on top. That is Zoom Learn, Sociology, Teachable, ThinkFic, Go Skills, Learn Dot, and Why. What is that? There are a number of free LMS options, usually open source systems. However, the money that you save, a licensing or monthly fee, may be spent on IT staff, especially if you don't have any programming experience. In addition, you may have to deal with a steep learning curve to get the most from the learning management systems. In free learning management system, for sure that some of the companies are also offering something free, but as you know that nothing is free in the era of internet. There are something, they're utilizing your data somewhere, and they're collecting the information and selling them out on, and there is a chance to sell them out, but with limited. And another thing, that free learning management systems can offer you some limited and standard options, but there are limitations. I can tell you that, for example, we can take the example of Zoom. Zoom is offering free of cost and free of charge services, but they limit the maximum online session is for 40 minutes. If you are licensed and paid version, you can use the Zoom for unlimited time. But if you are not paid version, so you can limitize yourself, and you have to cover up everything within 40 minutes. And there is a limitation for the participants as well. For example, 100 to 200, you can use, you can bring out your students maximum till 100. But if this is paid version, you can choose unlimited participants, and you can bring them out. You can organize the webinar, you can organize the training sessions, and you can organize the live session for your students as well. So that was the main difference between online and free learning management system. In the end, that is paid learning management system. It's really important to know that If in the market that is the open source is also available, the free version is also available, then why would we have to choose and we have to go with the paid learning management system on top? In that is iSpring Learn. This is one of the best learning management system, but this is paid. And the second one Jazan University already using, that is Blackboard. And then Talent LMS, Loop, and there are many more in the list. What is paid license? Paid learning management system requires a monthly or yearly fee. Some even allow you to purchase the software outright. They typically offer more advanced course options and user-friendly features. User-friendly features and user-friendly interface is one of the major feature for paid learning management system. You can take example for Blackboard. Blackboard is one of the famous and top-rated LMS system, and you can feel once if someone, for example, do not have a lot of computer skills to continue, even he or she know only the basic knowledge of the computer. He know what is a desktop, how to create a folder, how to rename it, how to copy the files, and all these basic concept can take you to the Blackboard, and you can apply the same basic concept, can lead you to an expert view. So you just need to log into the Blackboard and you can find out like interface. Later on, I will try to show you practically that it's really interesting, and it's very easy interface, and with simple steps and with the basic knowledge of computer, you can use this kind of LMS. So either it's go with the iSpring Learn or Blackboard, whatever the paid version, the companies try to bring out the ease and with the high level of technical sports, and more importantly that most paid version LMS systems, you do not need to bring out any hardware in your institutions. Mostly you can use all these softwares online, web-based, and you just need to open your computer, and in web browsers you can access, you can have their access, and you can utilize all of their systems. So that was the major difference between free and paid version. In free, I told you that there is standard features, but they are limited in different terms. They can limitize you with the features, with the time limit, with the participants limits, and there are many other restrictions over there. But in paid version, you can have unlimited access. You can upload unlimited courses, contents, and like all the features you can enjoy with the paid version. And the most importantly in the end, the easiest way to use that LMS. Mobile learning management system, any of the system who is any of the LMS system who is in the available in the market, they are offering mobile learning management system, because more than 80 to 90% teachers or students are using the mobile as a device for learning. This is not a mobile that is like a couple of decades earlier, it was just for listening the call or making the call, but now your mobile is, I believe, the invention of the laptop reduced the 50% use of desktop, and invention of the mobile reduced the 70% use of laptop, and desktop almost obsolete, and they are not available in the at home. Mostly you can find them out in the offices or in the corporate sector. Otherwise, mostly you have the laptop, and second one, you are using the mobile for any kind of learning or any for any other multimedia play. So any like LMS system who is offering, or either is open source, or you can go with the free version or with the paid version. Mobile learning management system is also available with them, also referred to as mobile offline platforms. It can facilitate learning and content management, reporting, etc., etc. Whatever you can perform online using the web browser, you can use most of the features in mobile learning management system. But there is sometimes there is little bit limitations, which you can find out more options in web browser on the laptop, but in the mobile learning management system, you can download their applications. They could have the applications, but there are some limitations, and some features are not available, which is available on the laptop screen. So let me introduce to you some popular learning management systems